Hey there guys, in this video I will be explaining about the if-else statement in Python, and before that I have already written a blog post on the if-else statement in Python, and the blog post will be in the description box below. Do check it out. So what is if-else statement in Python? So basically the if statement is saying it is true. When it is true it will be printing that. So if it is not true then it goes with the else statement. So it will be printing the else statement. So you could see that if condition then do this or do this, okay, and if it is not then do the else statement, okay. And you could also see a flow chart. If you just come over here and take a look at the flow chart, you will understand very well. So directly we will go with an example. I'm just going to copy this example and paste it in an IDE. So firstly what I did is enter the variable height and ask the user for the height, and I have entered the input function, and also I have changed it to integer. So over here it comes the if else statement. So if height is greater than 80 then it will be printing you are allowed for the ride. If it is not 80 then it will be printing you are allowed. So let's play this code. So I'm just entering 70. So it says that you are not allowed, and let's play it again. So I'm entering 81. So when I enter 81 you can see that it says that you are allowed for the ride. And if I enter 80 you could see that it says that you are not allowed. So this is because that we should enter this operator. So I want to enter elif 80 is equal to, the height is equal to, I guess I have to enter the variable height is equal to 80 colon and print. So we need to enter this thing. We have to enter the elif statement and we have to use the equal to operator. So if we play now, so it says that invalid syntax. Let's play it. Yes, it comes. Let's clear it and play it again. So let's enter 80. So you are allowed for the ride. Yes, you could see here. So it all depends on the operator you are using. And by now we have seen how to use the if statement and also the else statement. And you will be wondering what the hell is elif statement. So in the next video we will be seeing about the elif statement in Python. And yeah, that's it for this video. We have seen what is if, and also we have seen what is the else statement. So if this video is information and also helped you out, make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.